The ball in the palace. Listen carefully. The ballroom in the palace was very big. There were hundreds of men and women dancing in the center. Along the walls there were long white tables. They had candles and all kinds of food on them. At the top of the room, on a stage, were 3 large chairs. The queen sat in the middle, and Bib sat on her right. The chair on the left was empty. It was for the princess who would be Bib's wife. Which princess do you like the best? The one I will choose is not here yet. But you have met them all, surely. There is another one, mother, and she is a surprise. You will see. Every time a new guest arrived, the ballroom doors were opened, and everyone fell silent. A servant called out the guests' names as they entered. Each time this happened, the prince became very excited. But Ovia never arrived. It was almost 12 o'clock. Bib had promised his mother that he would choose a bride by midnight. The 2 large doors opened. Please, let it be her. It was a giant cake with 18 candles on it. Everyone in the room began to sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Prince Bib. Happy birthday to you. Bib and his mother walked towards the enormous cake. Now, make a wish and blow out all the candles. No one heard him, but Bib said, I wish Ovia would come and be my wife. He blew out the candles, and everyone cheered. The doors opened. Princess Ovia. It was Annie dressed as Ovia. She wore a long white dress, and long white gloves. The gold crown was shining on her head. She held a bouquet of flowers in her arms. She smiled as she walked towards the queen and prince. She gave the queen the flowers, then bowed. Mother, this is Ovia, the princess I met in the forest. I knew your father. I'm sorry. I thought everyone had died in the fire. You must be the only one who lived. Annie did not know what the wizard had done to Ovia's parents. She stopped smiling. Oh mother, her story is too sad to tell. Let us enjoy this evening together. We are her family now. Do you mean, you wish to choose Princess Ovia as your wife? Yes, mother, I do. The queen raised her hand for the men to sound their horns. Everyone was quiet. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to announce the engagement of my son, Prince Bib. After tonight, he will be the king of this land, and he has chosen Princess Ovia to be his wife. Bib and Annie danced together. Everyone around them clapped their hands. Ovia, I knew you would come. How did you escape from the evil wizard? I ran away, and he did not see you. The prince stepped back, so he could look at Anne's eyes. His heart sank when he saw those eyes. They looked like Ovia's, but there was something missing in them. He didn't love her. Annie began to lie. I saw a falling star in the sky. I closed my eyes and made a wish. When I opened them, I was in a carriage pulled by horses. That's how I got here. It must mean we were meant to be together. Oh babe, he held her close because he did not want to look in her eyes. He knew he had loved Ovia when he had first seen her. Now he didn't know. He thought there must be something wrong with him. Ovia, I promise always to love you and never leave you. Dear friends, we will meet in the next chapter.